How to fix upload failed while uploading a skin of your Roblox avatar. So what you need to do is head over to the Play Store and type in IB's Paint X and install it. In the bottom left corner of the screen, click the plus icon. Once you're here, click the first number and make sure it says 585. The second number should say 595. Click enter, then click OK. Add another layer, then click this import picture icon, import your skin. From here, in the bottom right corner of the screen, click this arrow, save image. Okay, and then the image that you just saved, upload it and it should work. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.